Everybody make claims that they have the solution. Last week I was in Utah, Brigham Young University. I had a dialogue with a Mormon expert. They believe that they have the right direction for man. Jehovah's Witnesses believe that they have the right direction and the solution for the problems that plague America and the world. Christians believe that they have the guidance. Jews believe that they have the guidance. Buddhists believe that they have the guidance. Hindus believe that they have the guidance. Atheists believe that they have the guidance. And yes, Muslims also make the claim. That's the easy part. Anybody can do that. My way is best. I have the guidance. That's easy. But I remember something the Messenger of Allah said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, وَلَكِنَ الْبَيِّنَ عَلَى الْمُدَّعِي. And the burden of proof is on the one who makes the claim. If you make the claim that you have the answer, then show me.